The TXQSABER Heavy Dueling Lightsaber SNV4 RGB is an impressive blend of durability, advanced features, and stunning visual effects, crafted for both serious Jedi training and epic cosplay moments. This saber comes in multiple versions, each tailored for different needs and preferences. Whether you're a dedicated duelist or a passionate collector, there's a model that fits your style. The premium Baselit RGB version is ideal for heavy combat. It features a sturdy 82 cm or 92 cm blade that can endure intense clashes. Not only is it built for action, but the blade is also affordable to replace, making it perfect for those who enjoy frequent dueling without worry. It offers a rich RGB color experience and includes the most features among the RGB types. For those seeking more customization while maintaining dueling strength, the Super Baselit RGB adds a 32GB SD card and Bluetooth connectivity. It expands the sound font selection from 16 to 27 sets and allows users to personalize sound and color settings. It's the go-to for duelers who also want deeper creative control over their saber experience. Then there's the SNV4 Pro Pixel or Proffie 2.2 edition, designed with collectors and die-hard fans in mind. With up to 27 sound fonts, this model delivers a cinema-like ignition, where the light grows from the hilt just like in the movies. The Pixel blade's internal LED strip creates dynamic lighting effects that make this saber feel incredibly lifelike.